Everybody, welcome back. Take a trip with me back in time to about 1 year ago to this date. I'm guessing. I don't know if these products actually come out on the same exact date every year, but roundabout. When 2018 Contenders draft picks hit the market, and people like me ponied up their hard-earned money to get some boxes. I've actually opened 1 or 2 boxes since that time, because I like the fact that you get 6 autographs and it's a really solid checklist. So we're going to do it again. We're going to rewind. We're going to look for cracked ice ticket parallels. Yes we will, yes we will. And on-card autographs from some of baseball's hottest prospects. I think the last box I opened, every autograph was numbered. It was like crazy good. And I know at least 1 cracked ice came out of that. In case you've forgotten, there are 18 cards per pack, 6 packs. So basically 6 fat packs, each with an autograph. Each containing an autograph. I don't appreciate these auburn colors here, but I'm going to open this anyways because I've already paid for it. Alright, let's get started. What do we have? Fred Lynn. There's Alex Fado. I can't read that. David Peterson. There is an Evan White parallel to 99. Draft ticket. Hollow looks really good. Our first autograph is Jackson Kowar to 99. That is a prospect ticket parallel. It is on card. So we're off to a good start. There's Casey Mize, Caden Grenier, Jonathan India, Ryan Rollison, Craig Biggio, Singer, Horner, Swaggerty, Fado, Evan White non-parallel, Paul Molitor, and Dave Winfield. There are no mem cards in here, it's all autographs. In case you didn't remember that. Bukauskas, Larkin, Evan White, and there are different versions, like you saw the other Evan White. It's a different card than this. There's like 2 versions of each of these, I do believe. AJ Puck, Osiris Johnson. That is a sticker auto, just a plain base auto. So no 6 numbered autos for me this time around. That's okay. I didn't expect it. Larnock, Larkin, Singer, Still Walker, Horner, McCarthy, Thomas, Baum, Bubick, Ozzie Smith, Biggio, Mark McGuire, and Chance Adams. I'd love to pull a really sweet cracked ice out of here. That would be so nice. Alright, Jake Berger, Bo Jackson, Frank Thomas, Adam Hazley, Alec Bohm. That is another numbered prospect ticket on card to 99. He is the bomb. Don't worry, I'll be here all week, folks. Bo Jackson, there's Baum, Logan Gilbert, Seth Beer, Larnock, Paul Molitor, I think that is, yeah. Janista, Walker, Roberts, Senzel, Schmidt, Wright, and Rooker. What's great about boxes like this is that, I assume often that Panini tries to put 1 card that they consider is, 1 hit that they consider is good to make people think that they're getting some value in the box. But when it comes to boxes like this with you know, prospects and rookies, you know, they don't really know. They kind of have an idea, but they don't really know, so you could still, you know, end up with several really good autographs, just depending on how the player does. Winfield, Senzel, Schmidt. There is a cracked ice non-autograph, Roger Clemens, old school colors, numbered 1 out of 23. Unfortunately, there's no ink on that, but that's still pretty cool. Good looking card. Then our autograph is Josh Brew, sticker auto. Beer Bomb, Ozzie Smith, Janista, Madrigal, Griffin Roberts, there's Casey Mize, Biggio, Grenier, Castanera, McKay, Berger, and Larkin. Alright, 2 more to go. There's McGuire, Adams, Ura, McKay. We have Brendan Rodgers /15. That is playoff ticket. And it is a sticker auto, numbered 8 of 15. And I'm trying not to overhandle it and trying not to drop it. Not bad. Cool. Alright. Moving on. Swaggerty, Singer, Larnock, Swaggerty, Roger Clemens, Mize, Gilbert, India, Jackson, Lynn, Hazley, and I think that says Peterson. Yep. Alright, last one. What you got for me, Panini? What you got? Give me something good. Kyle Wright, Rooker, Duplantier, Reggie Jackson. We end up with Chris Bubick, and that is another numbered /99 sticker auto prospect ticket. So there are definitely some solid names in these autographs. Granted, even though this is last year's, so it's still a lot to be seen. McClanahan, Conan, Kowar, Bo Jackson, Kowar, Janista, Joey Bart. I wouldn't mind having some ink with him. I mean, a card with his autograph. Horner, Ozzie Smith, Frank Thomas, AJ Puck, Jackson, Lukakis. So we can look at these again really quick. Make room for these. Bubick /99. Brendan Rodgers /15. Josh Brew, not numbered. The Roger Clemens cracked ice /23. Alec Baum /99 on card. Osiris Johnson sticker auto. Jackson Kowar on card /99, and the Evan White parallel /99 non-autograph. Pretty solid box if you ask me. I don't know. Comment below. Let me know what you think. Good, bad, stinky, somewhere in between. Smells like rotten cheese, feet. Let me know. Everybody take care. Hope you're doing well. Love you guys, and see you again soon.